I'm now joined by Hafez Abdo, Associate Professor from Nottingham University Business School. Welcome, Hafez.
Thank you.
So, to start with, if you could tell me what makes Nottingham University Business School an ideal place to study accounting and finance courses?
Thank you for the question. Very interesting and very important question for students to know about. First of all, the location of Nottingham as a city in the heart of the UK, in the middle of the UK, where we are not far from London, we're not far from Birmingham or Scotland. So that's an advantage for students to come to us as a city. And then as a university, we are a Russell Group university, very well known for our research, very well known for our reputation, very well known for our 3 campuses in the UK, Malaysia, and China. So that makes us a world-leading university which students target. And also the facilities we have as a large university with our staff, academic staff, and admin support, plus libraries, that makes us a world-leading university where students target.
Perfect. So, you're talking about opportunities that students have. So, can you also tell me more about the opportunities for students to work with industry for these courses?
During their study, students can engage with industries through our external engagement programs. Also, students at the end of their master, they need to complete a dissertation or an industry project. So if students opted to complete an industry-led project, they will have direct involvement with the industry. But the students who opt to do dissertations, they can still be involved with industry via data collection, etc.
And how do students benefit from the world-leading research at Nottingham University Business School?
Well, this is, again, thank you for the question. This is an important question. In our teaching on the MSc, across the business school and I believe across the university, we use research-led teaching. Our researchers are world-leading researchers. In my department, and this is related to the MSc in Accounting and Finance, my colleagues are specialists in corporate governance, taxation, auditing, climate change, etc. So students will benefit from experience of my colleagues, and that will help their understanding of the topics we teach and involve in deep learning, and that will help them obviously in their dissertation.
That's great. And if you talk about career progression, how do you think these master's courses prepare students for successful careers? And what roles do graduates usually go into?
Because of the breadth and depth of our modules in terms of focusing on contemporary issues in accounting, advanced issues in financial reporting and management accounting, and corporate governance, so students enhance their learning of these topics. Also, we focus on research methods and technology, and that prepares students to the world labor. And they can involve, obviously, when they graduate in one of the big 4 international companies or banks or even small and medium enterprises.
And we know that Nottingham University Business School attracts students from across the globe. So what kind of support do we have for international students for these courses?
First of all, we have a world-leading library with obviously a lot of resources students can benefit from. As I said, the research and research staff, member staff we have also that offer a lot of support to students, career service, career advices, etc. So plus the location of the university, as I said before, so it make it an easy reach for students if they want to travel or connect with businesses and other agencies.
Yeah, that's really interesting. And if I wanted to ask you from your personal experience, what do you enjoy the most about being a part of the Nottingham University's Business School?
Well, if I start talking about Nottingham University Business School, I will not be able to stop because it's a big story around this school. First of all, it's a large school. Then the location on Jubilee campus is so beautiful campus, and that makes it distinguished from other universities. The support, as I said, we have in this school the breadth and width of research and facilities databases, libraries, and student accommodation. So all of this add to the positive sides that this school has.
Definitely. I think we definitely love our campuses. And is there anything else that you would like to add? I think you have covered pretty much.
Yeah, I would like to add most of our students are international. Obviously, we are targeted from those students who would like to come to a world-leading university. We receive quite a big number of applications, but we are limited due to our capacity to around 100, 110 students. So we take the top 100, 110 students every year. We encourage students to come to us because of the support we offer and because of the career progression they can make after they complete our MSc.
That's great, Hafez. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.